Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we solve Bluetooth network problem in our Poco phone. Guys, you want to solve guys your Bluetooth network problem in your Poco phone, so when you can solve. And friends, now let's see how to solve Bluetooth network problem in our Poco phone. In this video friends, I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, now let's see how can we solve Bluetooth network problem guys. First of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in your Poco phone. So friends, you will have to scroll guys, click on guys this connection and sharing option guys, tap here. Again scroll guys, you can see your reset setting guys, tap here guys, you can see guys your Bluetooth setting and we will tap here to reset, means problem will solve. So you can solve your Bluetooth network problem from here guys. And after solve guys, you can use your phone Bluetooth setting guys without any problem guys. After that guys, you have any problem guys, take screenshot of your phone model number guys and in comment section I will check, I will help you. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video, bye guys.